2010 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, still got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got the dreaded third cap right here. Then he ordered the kit off eBay. It's supposed to be a bolt-on kit. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Spent about like $200, $250 for it. But it came in like 15 pieces. So he brought it to us and we installed it for him. We welded everything nice and clean. So it's basically a FLOWMASTER Super 10 dual setup with 2.5-inch pipe all the way back there. And there we had to add him hangers because all the stuff they've sent with it doesn't fit right. So I would recommend against it. There's a 3.5-inch tips by 18 right there. And right there we had to cut it and fabricate it to make it fit. So that's how you get it done, boys and girls. FLOWMASTER Super 10. That's the exhaust system we cut off of it, the original. And we had a little bit of extra pieces left over. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's good. Sound decibels? That sounds really good. Again? It's right at 103. Not too bad. Sounds perfect.
This is good too. Thank you.
Nice and tucked. That sounds good. I like it. Nice little truck. All right, guys. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado. Really nice truck. This style and the body style after it was the best body styles on this Chevy, in my opinion. The new ones are ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. These are beautiful. See, I still have my blue one too. I have a blue one that looks like that one. Got a special place in my heart. Tell me which truck you guys love the most that you guys had in the past.